Now let's demonstrate the replacement of the SUP22C reflective lens. First, remove the back cover of the motor. Unplug the motor cable. Loosen the fixing screws of the motor and regulating cylinder. Unplug motor module. Cover with masking tape to keep ash out. Loosen the reflective lens bracket retaining screws. Replace the reflective lens. After the replacement, the reflective lens direction is rotated 90 degrees to the left based on the motor cable. Adjust the lens swing so that it is consistent from left to right. After adjustment, load the motor module back into the gun. Lock the fixing screws. Plug and cable. Before the laser comes out, must carry on the red light center adjustment. After the adjustment is completed, install the motor back cover. The reflective lens replacement completed.